If you are pregnant past 12 weeks in Arkansas, you cannot get an abortion. State legislators in Arkansas have banned abortion past 12 weeks, and the reason why they've done that is because they claim that the fetus has a heartbeat at that point, and you shouldn't be able to get an abortion at that point. Now, the governor of Arkansas did attempt to veto this, but it didn't matter because they decided to override his veto, and all that takes is a simple majority. And this is going to be disastrous, okay? Because originally they banned abortions after 20 weeks, and that was a big deal. But now it's 12 weeks, and keep in mind the Supreme Court ruled in 1973 that you cannot ban abortions if the fetus is not viable outside the womb, which is approximately 24 weeks. They're basically having it here, clearly unconstitutional. And that's their point. They want to take it to the Supreme Court. And I love the veto in Arkansas, as we've talked about in the past. He's like, all right, I'm serious about this when I veto it. They're like, okay, we were serious too. Simple majority, we overrule you. Shouldn't it take at least 60% or something? But no, all they got to do is repass the law in Arkansas. So all of his good efforts chasing them all the way down the field wasted. I wish it was that easy to raise taxes in California. You need a 2/3 majority in California just to raise taxes, right? Yeah, but when it comes to something as serious as abortion in Arkansas, all you need is a simple majority to override a veto. In Arkansas, that applies to all the laws, obviously. Right. But in this case, we have literally the most strident anti-abortion law in the country, and one that they know is unconstitutional. And part of the reason that Bibi vetoed it in the first place is, said, look, you're going to waste a tremendous amount of taxpayer money when you know that the law can't pass constitutional muster, and you're going to make us pay all those bills going all the way to the Supreme Court. And so if you were a conservative, you would be concerned about that, but obviously they're more concerned about trying to prove their point on abortion. And by the way, just to be clear, they do make exceptions for women who are victims of rape, incest, if the fetus has abnormalities, or if the woman's life is in jeopardy. So are they not merciful in that case? But we'll see what happens with this. It's definitely going to go to the Supreme Court. There's no question. Can you imagine if the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade? We're going to have a lot of back alley abortions. There's no question about that. Because if a woman is desperate and she does not have the financial means to take care of that baby, she will find a way to get rid of it. I mean, look, we have history to reference when it comes to this. Right. Now, and look, if they do, it depends on the state that you're in. But I guarantee you if in some of the red states they take away abortion entirely, you think the rich aren't going to get an abortion? They're just going to go to a state where they can get it, or they're going to go to a country where they can get it, right? So who's going to get hurt? The poor and the middle class are going to get hurt. And also, it's going to be a double whammy if Republicans get their way, because they want to cut the social programs and then they want to force women to have the babies, right? Mm-hmm. So you're going to see babies that are hungry, and it doesn't matter. Republicans don't care about that at all.